as is irrational, as it is an ignorance to the governance issues we fail, and it does not solve the issues such as poverty, unemployment, etc. So we are here to prove our point that the things we are doing is not right, and the notice that is given to us, we want to have a legal trial. We want them to not destroy the places we have, and we want the government to understand our problems and to make a very peaceful and very lawful solution to it. So I promote you all to keep this protest going on as long as our demands are not being fulfilled, and as long as we are happy with it. So it is a real necessity that as being a democracy, as India is a secular democracy, then it is a right to do the protest, and it is very fair. It is also important to protest also, so that people do not think that protest is a different kind of thing. As India is a democratic country, then we must protest against things we feel are unfair. And as India being a secular country, breaking religious places and religious sites is something that is considered unfair, and we think that this is the violation of many of our rights, such as Article 51A, and demolishing them can also be contempt of Article 295 and 123A, and it violates many of our rights, such as right to life with dignity, right to secularism, and right of the religious dominations to manage their things, etc. So as we are here protesting for our rights, then we are making sure that in our secular country India, that is been diverse from a long time ago, so that in our country it is a very proud thing that these places should not be demolished, and if they are, it is a very shameful thing, and we must be ashamed of it. So we are here to protect them. And religious sites are also heritage sites. They also hold emotional and very sentimental value to all of us. Not all of us, to everyone in the country. To everyone it holds very sentimental and emotional values, so we must protect it. And it is also a very huge and rich part of our history, of our culture, and it is also conservation of our rights, and also conservation of our heritage places, and we must protect them as they are a sign of our cultural unity and our country being a democratic republic. As being citizens of this democratic republic, we must make sure that each and every one of us are using their rights properly, and we are getting what is meant for us. So I would like you to encourage to continue this protest going on as long as our rights are not fulfilled, and as long as we can keep this, we are going to keep this. We need dialogue, we don't need demolition. We need justice, we do not need destruction. Thank you.